What is going on? 940 loss. We lost 5 minutes into open. It's an atrocity. So let's go into it. Obviously, I'm still eval trading, funny enough. So let's go into it. So first of all, I was so fucking bullish coming into today, which is why I'm a little upset about this trade. The only thing I'm upset about is that, like, it was a short when I was bullish, but, like, I'm not going to fade this setup. So let's go into it. I was bullish. I said this in the daily bias. I said we gapped down at open and filled it immediately. The gap down swept some daily lows with an amazing reaction. I wouldn't hate a manipulation lower at open into a 15 or hourly. So what I wanted to see at open was us manipulate into this gap and then pump to Asia. But, of course, we just fucking pumped to Asia with no manipulation. So I said, okay, we got to put in a bottom wick. What happens? We sweep Asia. We make this move, manipulate, make another move up, internal sweep, Asia sweep with an external SMT, and this beautiful V-shape. I mean, this is so money. Beautiful V-shape right here. Get the short, great break-even point, take it 1-to-1, stop right here at the high. Internal SMT was formed a little bit later in the trade. It was not formed at the beginning of the trade, but it just didn't matter. And I thought, okay, we might get stopped because ES might want Asia. But then once ES took Asia, it still pumped and fucking took us out anyway. So it's not like that was really the holy grail. And now we're just chopping around here. Very unfortunate for the reason of I really wanted to go long. And it just didn't end up getting me my setup. But I'm not mad about this setup because it's A+. I mean, if we look at the checklist, rejection out of a higher time frame PD array, yes, we're sweeping Asia. We have an external SMT. We have an IFEG. We have external liquidity below. We have the 930 open to make a wick. I mean, we got London low. Like, there are targets. Really good break-even point as well with that low-hanging fruit. This low right here. 30-second was such a good inverse with great momentum. Only thing we're missing is an internal that we then formed and then disrespected immediately. So, honestly, I'm not too upset about this. The only thing I'm upset about is that I just knew that we were going to pump, and I just couldn't get a setup off of it. And I had to fade it for, you know, an A+ mechanical short. Happens. But, you know, that's it. So, the last 2 days I've lost literally within, like, the first 3 minutes of fucking trading, which is interesting. So, like, this was an A+ trade that I took at like 932 that immediately got stopped. This was an A+ trade that I took at 935 that immediately got stopped. So definitely something interesting for me to think about. I'd still like taking opening trades if I could get them. I think the best trade right now would be a retrace into one of these fives because it's just so fucking bullish. We're probably just going to keep pumping. We also have news at 10 a.m., so could have been a little more patient, but I mean, bro. Not upset about this internal sweep, external SMT with Asia. Great momentum, great break-even point. I'm not upset about it. But sucks that we're starting February off with a loss. I mean, good for me that I'm still on eval, and I could just take a trade on, fuck's it called? I'm not going to take any trades on my PAs until after NFP on Friday. So yeah, end of the day, not a big deal. Not a bad trade. 2 losses in a row, very rare, but it doesn't really matter. Alright, so yeah, I'm going to go chill. I'm going to post this journal for you guys, and I'm going to get off and enjoy my day, alright? Alright, catch you guys later.